Dahil pwede nga akong impact dito kamo. Tapos, ang ganda guys. Nag-order ako ng pen. Guys. Ready guys? Ready? Go! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! This is a seashell. And the pink one is there. Oh my god. Look at this one is so cute. Look so cute. Okay, now his name is Goldie and the other one named Pinky. And I'm gonna put some. Okay, I'm gonna put this into a box. Guys. This box there. This is their home, you know, guys. Just leave. Okay, wherever guys. Bye bye, guys.